If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of 3x plus 3y? Once again, if you have a system of equations, the most efficient or quickest way to answer these would be to use Desmos. So let's head on over to Desmos and do this together. But remember, we're not just looking for x and y. Once we have the value of x, we have to say 3 times the x value plus 3 times the y value. That's really the answer we're looking for. Let's go to Desmos. All right, so type in both equations as shown and then find the place where the two lines are intersecting. And those are the x and y values. That's the answer to this system. However, remember the question wanted us to figure out 3 times the x value plus 3 times the y value. So I'm going to type that in here and you can see the answer. Those x values that we saw, I plugged them in for x and y and the answer is -5. So